Hello. So the question is Kadane Algorithm. You can see for this question we have given array and we have to find out the maximum sum from the continuous subarray. Subarray means continuous part of array without excluding the number. For this I have used the brute force approach first. This is the brute force approach. Here you can see I am traversing the given array, and while traversing I am just updating the sum. If we found the maximum sum, then I am just updating the maximum sum. Okay, so here I am just traversing. I am just try run the first example. As I am traversing this for loop, the first it's zeroth index. Okay, so the sum will be at first zero. I'm just traversing from 0 to n. While I'm traversing from 0 to n, the sum will be here 2, the max will be 2, right? The next time the sum will be now jth value 0 to n. So the sum will be 3, 2 plus 3, 5. The max will be 5 because here you can see the maxi was previous 2 and sum is 5. So the maxi will be updated. Just like this, I am just traversing the for loop, inner for loop, and if we found the maximum sum, then I am just updating the maxi and I am just returning down the maxi. It's a simple brute force approach. You can solve this way. The Kadane's algorithm says is that if we found maximum sum, then we are updating it, or else we are just moving it down. You can see it here. I have declared these two variables current sum and max, global max. I'm just adding each element to current max, and I'm also updating the maximum value from current sum and array of I because might be some negative values you can see here. So the maximum element will be the minimum minus 2 from this. So the current max will be okay. I will try run this example. You will get clear idea about it. So the current sum will be 2. The global max will be 2 because we are finding the maximum. You can see it here. The current sum will be 2. Maximum from 0 2 and 2 it will be 2, and also global is 2. The next time the max will be 5, sorry, current max will be 5, the global max will be 5. The next time current max will be minus 3 and global max will be 5 because in max minus 3 and 5 the maximum value will be 5, right? The next time the current max will be 7, global max will be 7. Next iteration 6 and it's 7 because maximum value from current and global max will be 7, right? The next ith value will be 8, maximum value will be 8. The next run the current max value will be 11 and our answer will be 11. Okay, so like this way, it's a simple approach. Okay, this is the Kadane algorithm. So Kadane algorithm is used for dynamic array. So dynamic problems for using dynamic problems. It stores the maximum value and also find out the maximum value from the global function, global max, and return it down the global. Here the time complexity will be big O of n for Kadane's algorithm, and for brute force the time complexity will be n square, big O of n square. Okay.